Hey everybody, it's Judi Cranston and today we are on kindyRock TV and we are going to do a song called Granny's in the Kitchen, all about making a cake. Let's get going. Okay, so you can see that I've got my bowl here and I've got a wooden spoon. So instead of using instruments today, I'm going to use something from the kitchen. And my wooden spoon is going to stir to make the chocolate cake, and then it's going to turn into a microphone where you can sing la 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 la. If you want to, you can spin it around this way. La, 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 la. Okay, let's get going. Stirring. Granny's in the kitchen, gonna help her make a chocolate cake. Yeah. Granny's in the kitchen, gonna help her make a chocolate cake. And it makes a noise. She's splashing around and making a sound. Granny's in the kitchen. It needs some stirring. Granny's in the kitchen, gonna get there soon so I can lick the spoon. You lick the spoon? Yeah. Granny's in the kitchen, gonna get there soon so I can lick the spoon. Yeah. She's splashing around and making a sound. Granny's in the kitchen. Okay, microphone. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. She's splashing around and making a sound. Granny's in the kitchen. Countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna cook it in the oven and I know that I'll be loving that chocolate cake. Yummy! Gonna cook it in the oven and I know that I'll be loving that chocolate cake. Yummy! She's splashing around and making a sound. Granny's in the kitchen. Okay, singing. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. Granny's in the kitchen. She's splashing around and making a sound. Granny's in the kitchen. Yeah! Woohoo! That's it from me. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Let's do the kindyRock twist. I'm gonna twist so